Model Smart T2 Automatic Horizontal Sliding Landing Door Installation. Unboxing Smart T2 Automatic Horizontal Sliding Landing Door. Sill Fixation Assembly. Lower Bracket Fixation Assembly. We provide D-type bracket for standard door. If your DHP is 90 mm, then the bracket has tolerance from +0 mm to -15 mm. If your DHP is 150 mm, then the bracket has tolerance from +20 mm to -60 mm. Frame width 60 mm, seal 90 mm. Frame width 90 mm. It is important that the frame alignment should be in 90 degree. Frame top post height 160 mm. Mechanism de-locking rods should be properly fixed to the locking base under the frame. Upper Bracket Fixation Assembly. We provide D-type bracket for standard door. If your DHP is 90 or 54 mm, then the bracket has tolerance from +0 mm to -15 mm. If your DHP is 120 mm, then the bracket has tolerance from +20 to -60 mm. If your DHP is 150 mm, then the bracket has tolerance from +20 mm to -60 mm. There should be a gap of 32 mm between the car bottom carcel and the landing mechanism top base as shown in the video. Keep a gap of 50 mm between both the carriage plates as shown in the video. After the mechanism is installed, check the complete alignment as shown in the video. Vision size. Width 94 mm. Height 550 mm. Fix both the door panels in the center and keep a gap of 15 mm on both the sides.